think there's a little bit left in that, Stu. I think it was a minor misshift. I think I picked up on the track lines there. Apologies if I'm wrong, but that's what it sounded like. Officials just checking out the RFO lane. But another Falcon sitting in the rocket lane, about to go through its burnout procedure. This one a little bit more brightly coloured than the previous one.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not a Ford man, as most people know, but I wonder if it's not a factory. It was never a factory colour. No, I do like real cars. It's just the cars I like.
Okay, with the next pair. Falcon sounding pretty healthy in the rocket lane there, Stu. What about a burnout from the...
You're done, Holden.
Big Hoey.